Good morning, student. Myself, S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Nan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Now, today we are going to study the geometric construction in math second. Now, today we are going to construct construction of a tangent to a circle at a point on the circle using the center of the circle. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Mark a point P on the circle. Draw tangent to the circle through point P. Then firstly take a distance between two terminals of the compass is 3 centimeter, that is the radius. Draw the circle in this way. We draw the circle. Then mark a point P on the circle and draw the ray which is started from the center of the circle and passes through the point P. In this way we draw the ray. Then take some distance between two terminals of the compass and draw the arc on the opposite sides of the point P. In this way we draw one of the arc, then second arc. Now take a distance between two terminals of the compass is more than half of the distance between these two arcs. In this way we take a more than half distance and draw the one of the arc on the upper side and on the lower side. Then keep this distance as it is and draw the again second arc upper side and lower side. Now these two arcs intersect the previous arc at point. Now draw the line which is passing through these 2 points. We get the tangent to the circle at point P. In this way we complete the construction. Then we take a second construction without using the center of the circle. Draw the tangent to the circle on the point P which is lie on the circle. Now draw the again one circle having radius 3 centimeter. In this way we draw the circle which is having radius 3 centimeter. Then mark a point P on the circle. In this construction we are not going to use the center of circle. Then draw the one of the chord in the circle, that is the PA is the chord of the circle. Then draw any one of the angle to the alternate segment. Draw any one of the angle to the alternate. Now because of this chord, this circle divide in two parts. This is the one of the part and this is the second part. Then draw the one of the angle, any angle in this alternate segment. We take one of the point B on this circle and join this B with point P and with point A. Now we get here one of the angle, that angle name is ABP. Now we want to draw the same angle at the point P. Now for that we take some distance between two terminals of the compass and draw the arc. This arc intersect the two sides of this angle. Now keep this distance as it is and draw the arc which is started from this side AP and increases the arc in this way. Then take a distance between these two intersecting point of the arc. In this way we take a distance between two intersecting point, distance between two terminals of the arc, which is the intersecting point of the arc. Then put this distance as it is and draw the arc. This arc and previous arc intersect in one point. Now draw this from this point, intersecting point, and point P is the one of the line. This line is nothing but tangent to the circle and passing through the point P. Now in this construction we are not using the center of circle. In this construction we use the center. In this way we complete the construction. Good day, goodbye, okay.